Addition of three-digit number with regrouping. Let us learn regrouping additions.
10 ones is equal to 110. 10 tens is equal to 100. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. In a canteen, 786 juice cans were sold on Monday. 359 more juice cans were sold on Tuesday. How many juice cans were sold on Monday and Tuesday? To know the number of juice cans sold, we need to add 786 and 359. Let us add 786 and 359. Step 1. Add the ones and regroup. 6 ones plus 9 ones. 6 ones plus 9 ones is equal to 15 ones. Is equal to 110 and 5 ones. Keep 5 in the ones column and regroup 1 to tens column. Step 2. Add the tens and regroup. 110 plus 8 tens plus 5 tens. 1 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 14 tens. Is equal to 104 tens. Keep 4 in the tens column and regroup 1 to hundreds column. Step 3. Add the hundreds and regroup. 100 plus 7 hundreds plus 3 hundreds. 100 plus 7 hundreds plus 3 hundreds is equal to 11 hundreds. Is equal to 1100. Keep 1 in hundreds column and 1 in thousands. So, the sum of 786 and 359 is equal to 1145. Therefore, 1145 juice cans were sold on Tuesday. Let us see another example. A farm has 625 hens and 897 goats. How many hens and goats are there altogether? To know the total hens and goats in a farm, we need to add 625 and 897. Let us add 625 and 897 is equal to 5 ones plus 7 ones is equal to 12 ones. Is equal to 110, 2 ones. So, keep 2 in the ones column and regroup 1 to tens. Let's add tens column. 110 plus 2 tens plus 9 tens is equal to 12 tens. Is equal to 100, 2 tens. So, keep 2 in the tens column and regroup 1 to hundreds. Let's add hundreds place. 100 plus 6 hundreds plus 8 hundreds is equal to 15 hundreds. Is equal to 1000 plus 5 hundreds. So, keep 5 in the hundreds column and regroup 1 to thousands. 625 825 plus 897 is equal to 1522. Therefore, a farm has 1522 hens and goats in all.
Let us recall. 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 tens is equal to 100. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. 16 ones is equal to 110 and 6 ones. 14 tens is equal to 100 and 4 tens. 19 hundreds is equal to 1000 and 9 hundreds.